HPPSC aptitude test. Let us solve one more question. The question is the value of tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot 8x. See, it will take your a lot of time if you will not use formula properly. और formula क्या use होगा? It will be tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So we have to start it from the right hand side. Automatically आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होता जाएगा. How? It will be tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x plus 8 cot x can be written as 8 upon tan 8x because cot is the reciprocal of tan. So cot is equals to 1 upon tan. So first of all, here we have to use the identity. How? 4 tan 4x, right, as it is, plus 8x can be written as 2 into 4x. So apply identity for this 2 into 4x. How? It will be 8 upon 2 into tan 4x upon 1 minus tan square 4x. 2 4s are 8. Take reciprocal of denominator part. 4 into 1 minus tan square 4x upon tan 4x. Add these two. What will come? Tan x we have to write as it is, plus 2 tan 2x we have to write as it is, plus tan 4x into 4 tan x will be 4 tan square 4x plus 4 into 1 4 minus 4 into tan square 4x will be 4 tan square 4x upon tan 4x. Now this part is cancelled. One is positive, one is negative. Their difference will be 0. Then now we have to use formula here. 4 upon tan 4x. 4 upon tan 4x. Apply the formula here again. Then this can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2x. So it will be 1 minus tan square 2x upon 2 tan 2x. 2 2s are 4. Now see, it will be 2 minus 2 tan square 2x upon tan 2x. Add these two, what will come? See how interesting the question is. Tan x plus, take LCM, LCM will be tan 2x. Tan 2x into tan 2x, it is 2 tan square 2x plus 2 minus 2 tan square 2x. This one is cancelled now. Now apply formula again in the denominator. So it will be 2 into 1 minus tan square x upon 2 tan x. 2 is cancelled. Now again take LCM. It will become, LCM is tan x, then tan x into tan x, tan square x plus 1 minus tan square x. Tan square x is cancelled. What is left with us? It will be 1 upon tan x. 1 upon tan x is cot x. This is your answer. So C is the correct option. Thank you. Have a nice day.